Welcome to the vibrant real estate scene of Salt Lake City, Utah, where property ownership comes with its unique set of joys and challenges. Today, we explore a hidden gem that ensures your property's value, longevity, and your peace of mind: routine property maintenance. Salt Lake City, with its stunning beauty and dynamic culture, experiences diverse weather conditions. From chilly winters to scorching summers, the elements can take a toll on your property. This is where routine maintenance steps in. Let's delve into the 3 key benefits of routine property maintenance for your Salt Lake City properties. Preservation of property value. Salt Lake City's unpredictable weather can lead to wear and tear, affecting the structural integrity of your property. Regular maintenance addresses issues like roof damage, frozen pipes, and exterior wear, preserving your property's value. A beautifully maintained property contributes to its curb appeal, attracting potential renters or buyers and enhancing its overall value in this thriving real estate market. Tenant satisfaction. If tenant satisfaction is your goal, Salt Lake City Property Management is the answer. Regular maintenance ensures crucial systems function correctly, creating a comfortable indoor climate. This is particularly vital in a city with varying temperatures. Well-maintained properties instill a sense of safety, addressing concerns like faulty wiring or broken locks. Lower utility costs due to improved energy efficiency lead to satisfied tenants, encouraging lease renewals and longer stays. Reduced emergency repairs. Routine inspections detect potential issues before they become emergencies. Identifying leaks or faults early on prevents extensive damage and costly repairs. For those who find managing maintenance challenging, professional property maintenance services in Utah are available. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan of property components, reducing the likelihood of premature failures and the need for emergency repairs. Today, Salt Lake City landlords can reap numerous rewards through routine property maintenance. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, ensuring the well-being of your property and its occupants. Are you ready to take this step? Whether you're a seasoned property owner or just starting out, consider the impact of routine maintenance on your investment. And for those seeking specialized property management services in the Salt Lake City area, remember, there's a trusted ally ready to assist. Join the ranks of satisfied property owners. Trust in the expertise of a property management partner that stands out from the rest. Begin your journey with confidence. Start by partnering with Wolfnest today.